Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video I'm gonna be show you guys how to unfollow someone on Instagram. So yeah guys, so let's get started today's video. So first thing, you're gonna open your Instagram and then you can go this bottom right corner profile, and now you can see there is a followers option visible here. You can tap on it and you can see, you will able to see the all followers on your Instagram. And if you want to unfollow, you're gonna tap on following, and here you can see the following list. Those people are followed by you, so you can unfollow easily like this. You're gonna tap on it, three dots, and here you can see unfollow. You're gonna tap on it, will be unfollow. So yeah guys, this person has been unfollowed on my Instagram. So if this video was helpful for you, please leave a like, comment, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing content and updates like this. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.